Mark, what other explanation do you have to give to me for what you've just done?
Baby, you won't believe it. There's this very big contract I've been chasing for a very long time. And as I was driving to your village, this man called me to meet him up somewhere.
Mark, you sound so unbelievable.
Understand?
Can you listen to yourself talk? So you mean this is how much my girlfriend means to you? You disappointed her, you humiliated her on her big day, and you're talking about computer. What nonsense are you talking about anyways?
Well, she means the whole world to me and she knows it.
It doesn't
you know
look
it.
like it.
Look, I am going to make this up to you. No matter what it takes, however it is, I will make it up to you.
You're very wicked. You're mean. Do you know the humiliation you made me go through? The embarrassment you caused me? My kinsmen, my mother, they were asking, where is your man? He's nowhere to be found. Because of what? Because of your stupid work! I don't even do that! Do not lay your filthy hands on me! You're so despicable! Are you going to watch him? Are you going to listen to him talk? Let's get out of this place!
Baby, don't leave.
No, don't even.
You know how much I love you and I cherish you.
Go and continue with your computer tech business contract. Whatever you
don't understand.
Move it. We don't want to understand. Nonsense.
Baby, hold on.
You don't know who's there. You don't know. Stay here. Don't come after my friend.
You may not understand what you have until you lose it. You may not understand what you have until you lose it. Life treats you just how you treat yourself. Life is not what you think, just be wise. Life treats you just how you treat yourself. Life is not what you think, just be wise. You may not understand what you have until you lose it. You may not understand what you have.
And I am not just angry about the time wasted, but I told my daughter to consider that one that came with his aunt, his auntie. That one is serious and ready. But she refused. That she has a man in the city that will come here to ask for her hand in marriage. Look at how the man ended up embarrassing us, humiliating us. That was why I didn't send for you.
Umazketa, I'm so disappointed.
I know you will be. Who is not? Even Ituama disappointed herself as well. She thought she disappointed me. No, she disappointed herself. Because she told everybody, she told her younger sister that her man will be coming. What lesson is she teaching that one? It's terrible.
Hey. Where is Hasana? Where is she? Oh. Again, she again. Oh. Asan. Tomato. Again.
Let's go where? Obim, you won't understand. There is problem.
Problem what? Okay, fine. Let the problem just wait. Let's go and do. We'll come out. We can't.
Obim, I am not comfortable. You won't understand.
Comfortable? Why? We've always been comfortable with the bush. Why are you not comfortable now?
I've missed it.
You've missed what? Talk now. What do you mean by
I missed my period. Yes.
You miss your period?
I've not seen my period.
Period? What? Did you check inside your kitchen? Or maybe under your bed? Or at the back of the house? You know, at times, all these things.
What do you mean? What are you talking about? I am telling you something very important. You are here joking. I am not...
What I'm trying to say is, since you're missing the period, maybe the period, you know all these times they used to do a pium movement. It might be maybe under your bed, or maybe at the back of the house.
Dozie, I am not here to joke with you. I am not here to joke with you at all. I am pregnant. What are we going to do about it?
Is it what?
What do we do about it? You are dancing.
You're what? Pregnant. Hi! Are you serious? See, I know I'm not the one that will pregnant you. I am very, very sure.
What do you mean by that? Don't even get me angry. Because when we are doing it inside the bush, you don't know.
What
when we are
did
doing
I
it inside the uncompleted building, you don't know.
Doing what in the bush?
I hear you say?
Look at him.
I heard you.
Yes, she's just no. She said.
Let me explain to you.
I heard you loud and clear.
Wait, let me explain to you.
Hey.
I can explain to you people. I can explain. This guy is evil. He's evil. You are evil. You are evil. When we are doing it in uncompleted building, you don't know. You think that is strange, you don't know.
Let's
Let's
go.
push me.
Let's go.
Push me.
Let me tell you what happened. Wait, let me tell you. Let me explain to you what happened.
Let's go there.
I saw her with my 2 naked eyes. I wasn't told by anyone. Huh? I went to the palace to supply my plantain. She was brought there alongside her lover. What is that his name? Dozie. Dozie, the son of Nabike.
Hey! Hey!
Igwe ordered she must serve in the palace for good 1 year as a maid.
What?
And her lover to serve as well in that palace. So I'm confused.
What? Ha! Why don't you want that? Na wanti monoro. Ebu pisi nti so yadapo. Have you seen it? I warned her. I cautioned her. I told her about the Igwe's directive. Yet it fell on deaf ears. See where she has gotten herself. It's not my fault. Your Mozi, she's now a maid.
But I suggest you go to the palace and hear from her.
Pico. What is it? What are you talking about? Is there something else I need to hear about my daughter? Or I need to know?
Please, just go and hear from her first. Because what I'm about to tell you now will shock you. So it is better you go and hear from her. Pico.
Why are you sounding like a broken record? You're a woman like me. If there's anything you noticed, tell me. I'm about losing my head. What is going on? Did anything happen to my daughter? Talk now.
Well, if you insist. But don't say I did not advise you to go and hear from her for yourself.
Can you talk?
When I went close to her to find out what the problem was, your daughter says she is pregnant for Dozie.
Well, I'm pregnant.
What are you saying? What do you mean you're going to his house?
Adana, you know I don't like you questioning any of my decisions.
So why then am I your friend?
Adana, I am moving to Max's house, period.
You are going to Max's house? I don't understand.
Yes, I am going there to leave until he does the needful.
Are you listening to yourself? Are you alright?
I am fine.
How can you, if you're fine, how can you be telling me you want to move into a guy's house who clearly does not have your time?
Who told you he doesn't have my time? He does have my time.
Obviously.
Yes, he does. I am the girlfriend here and I will tell you what is happening in my relationship.
No, tell me, educate me.
Yes, I am going to tell you now. My dear, I have been the one causing the issues in my relationship.
How so? Tell me, educate me.
Okay, fine. My boyfriend has told me so many times to come and stay with him, but I kept refusing. So now I want to correct that mistake. I am moving to his house to be with him, spend time with him, and of course, have that bond with him. until he comes to do what he's supposed to do.
Ify, how could you be telling me that you want to move into a guy's house? Are you that shameless?
I'm not shameless, my darling.
Then are you cheap?
I'm never cheap and I will never be.
So
what? It's my relationship. The man in question is my man, okay? You are what? Adanne.
Your friend.
I am Ify. We are two different people. You don't tell me how to live my life. It's my life. Leave it for me like that. I'm gonna do.
Okay, fine. This guy clearly just disappointed you. Can you just wait for him to come and apologize? He owes you a huge apology.
Who made it so clear? Who made it so clear?
His actions
Are
made it clear.
Are you making it clear for me in my relationship? Listen, girl. My man is fine with me. And once I get to his house, I will get all the apology in the world. Okay? So don't stress yourself. Besides, there is nothing you will say to me now that would make me not to enter his house. We are talking about how I've already entered, so don't even stress yourself. Besides, my mom just gave me a bad news concerning my sister and I'm trying so hard to deal with it. So just let me be.
Okay, what about the clothes I'm sketching for you?
Fix it. When it's done, wear it. You are my friend, so wear it. You do.
Really? This is just being stupid.
Babe?
Baby. You're welcome. How was work today? I hope it was awesome.
It was okay.
Beautiful. So just relax. I'll keep the bag and I'll set your food, okay? Come on, eat. You keep the bag.
Yes, sir. The plugins are ready to come on tonight. Okay, sir. Yes.
Hey, baby.
Hey.
How are you?
Fine.
Good. Okay, tonight is quite a peaceful one. A peaceful and a quiet night. So let's enjoy it, okay?
Babe.
Oh, come on. There's no need to eye or say anything. Okay? It's such a peaceful night. Let's enjoy it. Right?
Babe, you know I can't sleep with a troubled and guilty mind. I am truly sorry for everything. Believe me, it wasn't intentional. And I would have still made it to your village if you did not come back the next day.
Come on, baby. You don't even know why you're stressing yourself. I forgave you long time ago. Yeah, I've forgiven you.
You do?
Yes, I have. And as a matter of fact, I came here with my belongings. Yeah, I've accepted your request on leaving everything to come live with you.
Yeah. Really? So, that means you're going to be staying here for a long time?
Not forever though. But come to think of it, is that not what you've always wanted?
Of course. Yes. It's what I've always wanted. Having you around.
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
That's it.
What a relief. I'm happy. Come here. Come here. I've missed you.
I'm here with you. Missed you too.
You know what? I think we should celebrate. Yeah. I mean, this makeup, this reunion. Let me quickly get us something to drink.
Alright.
I'll be right back. Oh. Yes, baby. There you go.
Okay, thank you.
So, let's toast to
love.
To love. Together forever. Cheers.
Cheers.
You like it, huh?
It's nice. It's sweet.
Not sweeter than you. Cool.
Sweet.
Come on, baby, drink up.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Drink. Yes. Okay?
Very sweet.
Okay. Okay, I think we should hit the sack now.
Babe? Mark? Are you there? You're there, babe. Oh.
I never believe love is so real. I never believe it's strong like this. I never know love can change and transform just like this. Love came more in Naija. She's so exceptional, so reserved. Imagine me fall in love. Oh.
I'm on my way. You just told me now, I said I'm on my way. What is welcome? You told me that Papa was critically sick. What is this? What's going on here?
My son, it's not what you think.
It's not what you think. It's not what I think! Mama, do you know I already called my doctor? You made me feel Papa was bedridden. Huh? Do you know I was overspeeding? Do you know I was overspeeding?
Calm down now, calm down, please.
I should stay calm. I should stay calm. I should stay calm, alright?
I was the one that asked her to make the call.
Yes.
Wait a minute, Papa. You asked Mama to make the call. you not unbelievable? Or you told Mama to make the call? Really? You told Mama to make me feel like you're dying already? To what end? What for? I'm asking, what for? Are you doing there? You disappoint me.
Disappoint you? You are the one that disappointed me already. By refusing to get married and giving me grandchildren.
So this is it?
Yes.
All this? Yes. Marriage? Grandchildren is the reason you asked Mama to call me, make me feel like you're dying, make me overspeed. No, I'm asking. This is it.
Then get married. Okay. Get married, Greg. Get married. I need grandchildren. Am I getting any younger? Am I getting any younger, Greg? Huh? Give me grandchildren. That's what I need. Period.
You may not understand what you have until you lose it. You may not understand what you have until you lose it. Life treats you just how you treat yourself. Life is not what you think, just be wise. Life treats you just how you treat yourself. Life is not what you think, just be wise.
No, where are you? I'm at the street already. Okay, at the junction. I should turn to my right. Oh, okay. A black car. Okay, I've seen it. I've seen it.
Was it difficult for you to locate?
Oh, a little bit. That's fine.
This is the fabric, eh?
Yeah, exactly.
So we'll have to go to my shop for measurements.
Oh, okay, no problem. But how do you know him?
How do I know who? The guy doesn't know. You don't understand.
Who doesn't know Greg in this town? Like, he has dated almost all the...
Hey. Sorry, hold this fabric first. My dear, can you hold your fabric?
What did
Hold your fabric now. Hold it now.
Wait,
I'll drop it on the floor. Hold it. See, one thing I don't entertain is gossip. If you are here to make your clothes, then go straight to the point. I don't entertain cheap gossip. Or you just move around gossiping people.
Sorry,
I don't understand what's the meaning of that. How do I know who you saw me inside this car?
Oh, it doesn't.
If you want to make your clothes, you know the way to the shop. So
no. So I'm not going to this now.
Now. People just go around gossiping. Who doesn't know Greg? How do I know Greg? If I know somebody, ask me, how do I know
Sorry, come now. My best lawyer, come.
This drink here. I think he's trying to hide it from me, knowing full well that it is my favorite. Right? Just my baby.
Oh, baby. Baby,
really sorry. Look, I had an emergency and I had to rush off.
You don't even need to stress yourself. I believe you had a stressful day and you need to rest. So, I'll get your food, just take your shower.
No, baby, don't worry. I've had something to eat. I'm full already. I just have one quick call to make to a client, then I'll retire to bed, okay?
Yeah, I'm not making any call with any clients. Sit down.
Baby, come on.
It is you and I. You're going to give me your time, okay? Forget clients for now.
What's this drink doing here?
Oh, you think you're gonna hide it from me? You know that red wine is my favorite, and you hid this one from me. I was trying to fix your shoes, and I saw it.
Oh, yes, I was actually reserving it for you. Tell you what, we are going to start with this red wine. You can have me all to yourself. Let me quickly get glass and then let's get it cracking, baby.
Stop.
Come on. Just
Go
wait.
get the glass.
Yeah.
I'm waiting. Waiting. Hurry, because I'm not done fixing the house. Hurry, hurry.
Oh, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. I was thinking about you all through.
Thank you, babe.
How are you? Hope you're good. Okay, so good. Let me help you with your shoes. Okay.
So good.
Alright, get in. Let me tell you a story of what happened. You wouldn't believe it. Get in, sweetie.
I am super excited. That's what I'm saying. Tell me about it already. Sharon Francis finally called me to be the one to make the ashebi for Destiny Etiko's wedding.
Are you serious?
Finally!
Congratulations,
Thank you,
dear.
my darling. Do you know how long I've been waiting for this?
My dear, you deserve it.
Thank you.
You're one of the best designers we have in this town.
Aww.
I give it up for you.
Thank you.
Wow! You know what? This
Man.
calls for celebration.
I'm telling you, it's not easy to be making clothes for celebrities.
You know? Let me get something.
Okay. And I'm hungry.
I know. Foodie.
I'm so crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Okay, this is a special one that my baby got for me.
But I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I've not
Just
eaten
have a
anything.
little. I'll get you something to eat. I'll make It's actually sweet. No, you're good. You're going to definitely enjoy it.
It's not that sweet.
No, big sweet
Sour.
sour.
Yeah.
But you mix together, it's amazing. You like it.
Why are you not drinking with me?
I forgot to get a glass for myself.
Get a glass. Let's cheers, baby.
Yeah. I'll get it.
But I'm hungry.
Oh God, I know. I'll make your food. I'm coming.
Thank you. Oh. I'm hungry.
My darling, get up. You're already sleeping. Come, eat your food. The food is here, the Indomie is here. Managing it. It's this small drink that you already started. You already started sleeping. Oh. This wine is everything. I love the taste.
It's sweet.
Yes. Eat your food. Look at what you're doing to yourself. Stop it. clothes up. What kind of sleep is this? I don't like this so. Anyway, when you wake up, you eat your food. Good. Oh my God. I'm just using. So when you're done sleeping, you come and, you come and.
Now. You've been on your phone since I came here.
Business.
You can't wait and give me attention, please.
Are you going to leave me alone? Allow me to take care of business. Business brings money. Money that I'll give you. Business.
Please, I just need your time, please. Oh. Where you go?
What is Tango? My mother is too religious. If she sees you here, she will feel that we've had one or two things together. And she won't approve of the marriage. So, no, you just go that way. Go, move it. Move it. Aha, at the back. Move it. Hurry. Mama?
No. Hey, ma'am. Are you in there? Hey. Now, how are you?
I'm fine now. This one you just decided to surprise me.
I just want to come and see my only son. My handsome son. Hey, I'm so happy seeing you.
Welcome, I'm happy to.
I've even gone to see Esther. She told me everything about Ife.
I tried all I could. I don't know what else to do.
My son, I've never seen you love any girl like this before. I've never. Eh?
I begged. I begged.
You don't need to get yourself worked up. And what is it? I've even gone there to see her. To beg her too. Eh? My son, me too, Biggie. If it doesn't work out, there are so many girls out there. Very responsible. They are so responsible that you can pick one and get married to. Eh? You look for one and marry. Eh? Did you hear what I said? Mm-hmm. Okay. Let me go out and check something else.
So, Ify. Wake up. I slept off. I thought you were the only one sleeping. I didn't even know when I do stuff. Ify, I don't like this kind of prank. Don't ever play this kind of prank with me again. Why would you lace my drink? I don't understand. What don't you understand? You don't understand that you laced my drink? That I, from I laced your drink. What will I get from doing that? God forbid. I never did a thing like that. Why would I want to do that? If this drink is laced with a sleeping potion, I have never slept like this in my entire life. I could even hear myself snoring like a pig. And you're telling me you don't know that this drink is laced. But wait, my friend. If I actually laced this drink, would I have a taste of it? I drank from the same glass. As a matter of fact, I almost finished it. So what are you saying? You drank... Wait a minute. Sleeping pills? Of course. This is the same drink my man gives to me each time we're about to make love. And once I'm done, once I take a sip, I just sleep off and I don't get myself anymore. Oh my God! Let this not be what I'm thinking! Ah!
I want to listen to this news. Network. Wait, see, what are you doing? Eh?
Don't shout, please. Your guy said I should leave. His mother is inside, please.
Gentleman. Mama.
Welcome again. My name is Gentle So. The GM, not the gate man. Manager. Gate
Whatever.
Man.
Now listen. On no account must you allow any girl to enter here. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, ma. But ma, you know, I'm not the owner of the house.
I know. But any girl that comes in here, please do tell me. Okay? Did you hear me?
Yes, ma.
Eh?
Mama, why are you stressing my boy?
No. Your father has been disturbing me. I'm here to know, when are you coming home to show your father and I, your wife?
Is this why you're here?
No, now. Eh? You're my only child. I came to see you. Oparuku, Oyedenaya, I came to see my son.
Alright, just go inside. I'll join you. Let me speak to my boy.
I hope you are not angry with me. Okay. Hey. Oyedenaya.
So come.
Hello, baby.
Oh, welcome.
Already enjoying red wine.
You know it's my best drink actually. I love red wine so much. And this is a totally different brand. Adana brought for me.
Oh, Adana?
Yes. It's so nice. I've been drinking and oh my god.
What's the name?
I have forgotten, but I'll check the bottle. Why don't you have a sip? Come on. You like?
It's nice, but it has similar taste to the one I used to give you.
No, babe. This is totally different. I love this one more than that one. Just go ahead. Just drink. Drink.
I think this one is better.
Yes, drink.
It's nice.
Yes, babe. Finish it, in fact.
Anything for
I want you to be in the same mood. You know. Okay, hello. When are you bringing my clothes?
My sister, thank you for the drink.
You're welcome, sister.
I appreciate. Please, there is something bothering me. I want you to accompany me to go and see this girl's mother. I believe when she sees me, if I talk to her, she will listen to me.
But Mama, you know we've been speaking with her all this while. And she's not listening to us.
Don't worry, by the time she sees me, you know woman to woman talk. I believe she will listen to me.
But I think if you really want to talk to her, the best person we can talk to is her mom and not her.
Her mother?
Yes.
Is she not living with the mother?
No. She stays here alone in the city.
Yeah.
But if you want to talk to her, I can still take you to her house.
But, do you think that the mother can influence her?
I doubt. Because the way she spoke to us the other day, she cannot. So what do we do?
Let's go. We have to go. I believe when I get there, she will listen to me. Let's go.
Let me tell them to take care of the baby.
Okay.
Linda! Yes, ma'am. Let's go.
Okay.
Please take care of the bar.
Alright.
We'll soon be back, okay?
Alright, thank you.
You may not understand what you have until you lose it. You may not understand what you have until you lose it. Life treats you just how you treat yourself.
How long have you been doing this? What don't you understand?
What is your plan?
Stop asking me such stupid questions. What don't you understand? Listen, you have to tell me the truth because I am ready to leave and never return. You this heartless thing. I cannot believe that I entrusted my love, my heart, my soul, everything to you and you had to do this to me.
Do what to you? I don't understand what you're talking about.
This is what you don't understand, Mark. This is it. Do you have anything to say now? You kept adding a portion of sleeping pill to every drink you served me. For what? No, tell me, why would you do this to me? Thereby making me believe that I've got issues of always sleeping each time we're about to make out. Not knowing that you've been the architect over everything. But you know what? My God is going to judge you for every single thing you have done. You have no idea.
Baby, please.
Do not touch me!
Baby, please. It wasn't intentional. Please. I was so focused on my job that I couldn't help but see it as monumental distraction. So I devised a means of getting myself off your grass each time we are together.
Really?
Please forgive me.
Do not touch me! And what stopped you? What stopped you from calling the relationship quits?
I love you.
And I hate you. I hate you, Mark. And I hate everything you represent. You're so mean. You don't know what love is. You don't know. And let me tell you, I am done with this relationship. Don't you ever come close to me again.
Baby, please don't leave me.
I regret the day our paths crossed.
Baby, please.
Hey, I need you too strong. We go back and
My daughter. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Please, is Ife around?
No, she's not.
Please, where did she go? I need to talk to her. Please.
Please, who are you?
I'm Greg's mother. I want to talk to Ife and I want her to listen to me, please.
Wait. You're Greg's mother?
Yes.
Wow. Well, I doubt if she'll want to see you because she doesn't want to talk about Greg.
Please, when is she coming back?
I don't know.
It's okay. Let's go.
No, I'm not going anywhere. I will sit down here and wait for her. Please, let me sit here and wait for her.
No, Ma, you don't have to do that.
We can't be standing here. Let's go. We'll come back tomorrow. Yes.
Okay.
I doubt. She's really not interested in anything that has to do with Greg. So I doubt if she'll want to see you or your son.
Please, I need to see her. And I believe when I talk to her, she will listen to me. Is it not?
Yes, you don't speak for her.
Yes.
We'll be here tomorrow.
No problem, Ma. You can try your luck.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. I'm not Ife. Yeah, bye. Oh, your mom now came. Wow. Interesting.
You may not understand what you have.
Baby, it's me, Mark.
Until you lose
Babe, are you in there?
it. You may not understand
Hello, sweetheart.
what you have.
What have I done?
Until you lose it. Life treats you.
Baby, please open the door if you can hear me. We need to talk.
Life is not what you think, just be wise. Life treats you just how you treat yourself.
You've been crying since you got back. Please stop.
How could Mark do this to me? How could he do this to me? He made me believe that something was wrong with me. I mean, I didn't know he would do this. He deceived me. Why?
That is meant for you. But you see, Mark shocked me. I can't believe Mark would do such a thing. I mean, going to the extent of lacing your drink just to make you stay away from him.
Crazy.
Wow.
A man I really, really love so
But
much.
I've always known he's not the man for you, though. I've always known he's not the man for you. But doing this, man, that's too much.
Too much. I really love him so much. And I thought he loved me too. But no, he doesn't. I was really patient with him. I loved him unconditionally. I never believed he would ever do this to me. Yeah. What did I ever get myself into?
If you stop crying. Stop crying. For a man like Mark that you gave everything, he couldn't even make out time to spend with the woman he claims he loves.
Oh.
What? I don't understand. Is he the only computer analyst in this town?
I don't know.
Always busy with his computer.
I have no idea, but you see, God is going to punish him for every single thing he has done to me.
I concur. God will punish him. You need to stop crying, okay?
It's not that easy. I'm talking about my relationship for so many years.
Okay, I understand. That guy is so stupid. How can... I wish you got hold of the substance he used to lace children. Would have reported him to the police. At least for dealing on harmful drugs.
Oh, reported my boyfriend.
Before?
I want him to go to jail.
Negodi this person. Just look at you. Just Negodigi.
Oh
yeah, sorry. It's okay. It's okay, stop crying.
Mark, how could you have done such a dangerous thing?
Come on, man. It's just a sleeping portion and nothing else.
Do you know she can die of that your sleeping portion?
Listen, Ike. I invited you here to proffer a solution to my predicament and not to throw blames at me.
Mark, I thought you were wise. You're such a disappointment. How could you have gone for it in the first place? What sort of foolish step is that?
Ike, I have to work. I did it because I needed to work. And if I don't work, how do I pay the bills? Work pays the bills.
My friend, you need to go and marry your competence. Because I believe that is where all your focus is. Stop forcing love on yourself that doesn't exist.
Ike, you know what? I've also had enough of you. Now I want you to leave my house this minute.
It's okay. I'll leave. You better put this into your skull. You brought this upon yourself and you better tell yourself the truth.
Whatever. Now leave. Nonsense. Who are you to educate me on what?
I never believe love is so real. I never believe it's strong like this. I never know love can change and transform just like this. Love came more in I am. She's so exceptional, so reserved. Imagine me fall in love. Oh. I love you, my baby.
Bam, bam, bam.
Yeah, who is that?
It's me. I'm Alicia.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my daughter.
Sorry, who are you, ma?
I'm Didi Amaka from Ungulangu Kingdom.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, how may I be of help?
My daughter, from the look of things, everything my son told me about you is true. He told me that you're so beautiful and special. There's no doubt. That's what I'm saying right now.
Ma, sorry, but who is your son?
Greg. I'm Greg's mother.
Greg?
Yes. My daughter, please. That's why I'm here. Omalicham, I came to discuss with you as mother and child. Please, Biko, I want you to marry my son. His father and I have suffered so much to bring him up to this level he is now. Please marry him. That's why I'm here.
Mom, honestly, I don't mean to, make you feel bad, but that is the truth.
Hi.
Mom, your son shouldn't have allowed you to stress yourself coming over here. I already told him that I am engaged.
I know. He even told me about it. Because he doesn't lie to me. But the young man hasn't married you yet.
Huh?
Eh? All we need from you now is just to give us sign. Just say yes. And you'll be married even this afternoon.
Mom, it doesn't happen like that. You're a woman like me. You know it all. Marriage does not happen like that.
Sure.
I've been with this man in question for years. He's my man. And love is all that matters. I love him and he loves me in return. So I can't just leave him like that because your son wants to marry me.
Child,
it's not possible.
I wish he would just open his heart to know how much he cherishes and how much he loves you. You will not have any doubt than to accept him.
Mama, I appreciate that, but he can't walk. I'm sorry.
Please.
I'm sorry. Do you need water?
My daughter, what I'm asking is more than water. If you can just do it for me, my joy in the whole wide world will be complete. Biko.
Mom, please, before you arrived, I was busy cooking.
Sure.
And I wouldn't want my food to get burnt, okay? Maybe some other time we'll talk about this, but not now.
Yes. So you mean I should just go?
You have to go, of course, Mom. Bye. Bye, Mom.
Yes, but I've always wished to marry first before getting my wife pregnant. Especially when it has to do with a woman I truly love. And you know I truly love
Don't touch me! Oh, please! What nonsense are you talking about? Okay, what has been keeping you from getting married to me? What has been your delay all this while?
My work, my career.
Okay.
Baby, I'm so ashamed of saying this, but please forgive me. I need you in my life. Without you, there's no life for me to live. Please.
I see. Your work, your career. Please, Mark, go and get married to your work and your career and leave me be. Since it's obvious you don't give me the attention that I deserve. As your woman, am I even asking for too much? I am tired of the expensive things you buy for me. Give me your attention or leave me.
Baby, I promise you, I am going to make it up to you, whatever it takes. Whatever it takes, you know me. You know there's nobody.